Now today we are going to learn about the spermatogenesis process. First we have learned male reproductive system. Second we have learned female reproductive system. Male reproductive system, in that different organs we have learned. Sperm transport from the formation to that release. Sequence starts from the seminiferous tubule. Then rete testes. Then vasa efferentia. Then next. Now seminal vesicles open and form ejaculatory duct. Next, urethra. Right? This is the sequence. For female reproductive system, ovum formation to transfer starts with then next cervix and vagina. Right? Now next that we are going to start about that in male reproductive system, which is the primary sex organ, testes. Testes located in the lower pelvic region, where outside the abdominal cavity, inside, right. So now in testes, the process occurs that we call spermatogenesis, right? What I have mentioned here first, Ward, Woodset, NEET. Board के मैंने PYQs दिए already, right? You can refer that every year in theory as well as MCQ part. The question was there from this topic, right? Even good set MCQs and NEET MCQs from this topic every year. That's the previously every year the MCQs was there from this. Clear? So please don't neglect this topic. Applicative point of view, we have to understand this. So starts with this spermatogenesis. Genesis meaning formation of sperms, right? एक ही बार instruction दूंगी. No need to write. Today I will not give you for the writing time. I will send the notes. Clear? Spermatogenesis, sperm production process into the testis, and into the testis, which structure is there in which sperm production process occur? Huh? Seminiferous tubules. You know seminiferous tubules are lined by spermatogonia and Sertoli cell. How many seminiferous tubules in each lobe? 1, 2, 3, right? And these are surrounded or lined by over here, that's the spermatogonia, and certain are the which one? Sertoli cell, right? Like this are Sertoli cells. Now, spermatogonia at puberty, remember at puberty in male spermatogonia, that will undergo first mitosis. First undergoing which one? Mitosis. See, in case of male, sperm production process occur from the puberty to that old age. From the puberty to the old age, lifespan is long. Now, so in case of this thing is there, and spermatogonia, they have the microscopic structure. Seminiferous tubules are microscopic structure. Microscopic structures lined by few numbers of cells. अभी वही अगर meiosis में चले गए, so what about other sperm productions? From which cell that sperm will form, isn't it? So now understand, not given in your book, but clear this concept. This, the line, right? The spermatogonia which line the seminiferous tubule, उसको हम categorize करते हैं as a stem cells. As a which one? Stem cells. Understand this. Seminiferous tubules lined by the spermatogonia. इसका एक्चुअल नाम है स्पर्मेटोगोनिया स्टेम सेल्स. समझ में आ रहा है? So this cell will undergo, right, at up to that old age will undergo which one? Mitosis and form new spermatogonia. Clear? जो new spermatogonia form हुए, understand कि ये spermatogonia, this is the spermatogonial stem cell. This will undergo which process first? Mitosis. It will form two daughter cells. And ये daughter cells को भी हम क्या बोलते हैं? Spermatogonia. अगर हम डिटेल में जाए तो लेबल ये है कि this is the type A, this one is type B spermatogonial cell, right? So now type A always remain as a spermatogonia throughout the lifespan. अंडरस्टैंड दिस. टाइप बी जो है, जो न्यू डॉटर सेल्स फॉर्म हो रहे हैं, राइट, 1 to 2 डॉटर सेल्स. तो रिमेंबर ओवर हियर जो लाइन में है, जो लाइन कर रहे हैं सेमिनिफरस ट्यूब्यूल को, that will remain as a stem cells, that will remain as a which one, stem cells, which can produce the new cells throughout the lifespan. Clear? And the new spermatogonia are formed, newly formed spermatogonia, line by name, which word, newly formed spermatogonia, that will further undergo meiosis. समझ में आया? Yes or no? This newly formed spermatogonia जो stem cells से form हुए, that spermatogonia will undergo meiosis and form spermatozoa or sperm. पहले ये बेसिक क्लियर है? श्योर? किसी का डाउट था? आई थिंक सो तन्वी पटेल का डाउट था, सॉरी सोलंकी का डाउट था. इन दैट here the spermatogonia are there. If spermatogonia converts to spermatozoa, so new spermatogonia are formed, ऐसा उसका क्वेश्चन था, right? So spermatogonia जो main है, that behaves as a what? Stem cells, and they form throughout the lifespan. In male, what? They form new spermatogonia first. They form what? New spermatogonia. Clear? And that this new spermatogonia will undergo meiosis, and then that converts to sperm, right? So now we are going to learn about this thing, कैसे spermatogonia जो है converts to which one? Sperm, right? This flow chart is also very important, as and when this question will ask in your exam. Explain spermatogenesis, always with diagram, this schematic, right? So first this cell, consider कि ये क्या है हमारा? Stem cell वाला, right? So now, so basically one spermatogonia, then it divides mitotically, वो divide होता है. It can be divided not only one time mitosis, it can divide for 2 times, 3 times, 4 times mitosis, and then it starts meiosis. Clear? So first, one round of mitosis completed. How many daughter? Yes. Then second round of mitosis here given 4, right? Now, once this spermatogonia, so many spermatogonia are formed, right? Now in this spermatogonia, what happened? Spermatogonia out. See, this all spermatogonia have the ability to undergoing meiosis. But हम चारों का यहाँ पे नहीं रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे, सिर्फ एक ही का रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे. क्लियर? अदरवाइज यहाँ पे भी एरो ड्रॉ करके हम यही कर सकते हैं. सेम फॉर अदर्स. अंडरस्टूड दिस? यहाँ पे वो कंसेप्ट नहीं है 3D जनरेट, ये सब नहीं है. दिस ऑल आर एक्टिव. मेल में क्या रेशियो होता है? 1:4. क्लियर? सो नाउ दिस इज विथ सेल. हियर इन योर बुक मेंशन स्पर्मेटोगोनिया, सो रिमेंबर आपका कंसेप्ट क्लियर होना चाहिए. दिस 2 आर spermatogonia, daughter cell, but these are also spermatogonia. These 4 are also spermatogonia. Now this spermatogonia, right, gradually ये phase जो होता है ना, that we call growth phase और multiplication. First phase which that we call multiplication. First को कौन सा नेम दिया है? Multiplication. For spermatogenesis, entire process is divisible into 3 stages. Multiplication. Multiplication meaning multiply what? Spermatogonia. Clear? Now in spermatogonia, growth occur. Their size increase, cytoplasmic content increase, right? Size increase, size increase due to what? That cytoplasmic content increase. So after the growth, spermatogonia जिसको हम बोल रहे थे, after the growth, now we call it a primary spermatocyte. Now it's ready. Initial is a spermatogonia. Understand? ये ही main critical है, बाकी सब easy है. Initial is a which one? Spermatogonia. वो mitosis से form हुआ, right? Now this spermatogonia itself undergoing growth phase and convert to which cell? Primary spermatogonia. क्या भी उसके अंदर रिजर्व फूड मटेरियल भी ज्यादा हो गया, साइटोप्लाज्मिक कंटेंट इंक्रीज हो गया, राइट? सो नाउ साइज इंक्रीज. वंस द साइज इंक्रीज, now we call it a spermatogonia. No, now we call it a primary spermatocyte, right? आप छोटे थे, आपकी ही साइज इंक्रीज हुई, नेम चेंज हुआ नहीं, नेम विल रिमेन सेम. सेम थिंग ओवर हियर. Initially small size spermatogonia, gradually the size increase, content increase. Now the name given Here the name change, that is primary spermatocyte. Clear? But basic तो same ही है. Primary spermatocyte, now this one undergoing meiosis, right? When this, should I call spermatogonia or primary spermatocyte? Now it's ready for meiotic division. Now it's ready for meiotic division. जब हम meiotic division के लिए ready है, now we call it a primary spermatocyte. So this primary spermatocyte will undergo first meiosis. First meiosis. How many daughter cells? 2. Then these 2 both are undergoing second meiotic division. How many daughter cells? 4. You know meiosis 1 to 4 daughter cell. Yes or no? So here primary spermatocyte will undergo that meiosis 1 and form secondary spermatocytes, right? These 2 secondary spermatocytes that will undergo meiosis 2 and form 4 spermatids. Which structure? 4 spermatids. Clear? 4 spermatids are formed through which cell division? Meiosis is an equational cell division or reductional? Reductional, yes or no? Reductional, content becomes half. So now basic के साथ अभी हम क्रोमोसोम नंबर ऐड करेंगे. You will have to tell me कि कितने नंबर से. Close your book, textbook बंद, fast. Now tell me, this is which cell? Spermatogonia. So how many chromosomes should be there? Human का है. How many? 46. Now next one. These 2 are formed through. So these daughter cells or spermatogonia have how many? Same. Content will remain same. 46. 46. Next, this spermatogonia also have 46 chromosomes. यहाँ तक clear, right? Now next one, this cell, initial name क्या था? Spermatogonia. After the growth we call now, and that will undergo meiosis में meiosis 1, first meiosis, right? So now 46 chromosomes रहे, उससे कितने हो जाएंगे? 23. meiosis 1 half कर देता है, and meiosis 1 से जो meiosis 2 होता है, it's look like it's same like a mitosis. अगर आपको याद है, right? Equational 46 से 23, and यहाँ पे भी हर एक सेल में कितने रहते हैं? 23 chromosomes, right? So this spermatids basically gamete का pre-form है, right? So it has same number of that spermatogonia. No, half gametes are always haploid, right? Now initially the product is formed by this spermatogenesis from the secondary spermatocyte. This is which cell which undergoing meiosis? Primary spermatocyte will undergo meiosis. Form how many daughter cells? See, here I am talking about single primary spermatocyte undergo meiosis 1 and form 2 daughter cells. This single, right? Remember, right now I am talking about single. A single secondary spermatocyte. प्राइमरी से क्या डेवलप हुआ? सेकेंडरी. सो दिस सिंगल सेकेंडरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट कैन फॉर्म 2 डॉटर सेल. ये इस दिस वन आल्सो कैन फॉर्म 2 डॉटर सेल्स. सो टोटल एंड में देखे तो 4 डॉटर सेल्स आर देयर, राइट? दिस ऑल 4 डॉटर सेल्स वी कॉल स्पर्मेटिड्स. इसको स्पर्म्स नहीं बोलते, स्पर्मेटोजुआ नहीं बोलते. दिस आर व्हाट? स्पर्मेटिड्स. रिमेंबर, दिस आर व्हाट? स्पर्मेटिड्स. This all are equal in size, 4 in number. Diploid or haploid? Haploid. Why haploid? Content becomes half. Clear? Sure? Content becomes what? Half. यहाँ पे कितने daughter cells? Same size, so equal to haploid cells. Understood? Primary spermatocyte का ploidy पूछे तो आंसर that is diploid. Primary spermatocyte, how many chromosome? 46. Spermatogonia ploidy 2n. Ploidy है, ploidy पूछा तो diploid. Number of chromosomes? 46. Secondary spermatocyte ploidy. Number of chromosome? Next, spermatids ploidy. Number 23. Right? Now, after this, see ये cells बोलते हैं हम इसको. Cell meaning आपके mind में click होना चाहिए. Cell means ये animal या plant cell? Animal cell. So center में nucleus, then ER, Golgi, mitochondria, everything is there. Right? Except that vacuole and chloroplast because animal है. Now, so this all organelles are present in this cell. Now, to form the mature spermatozoa, or we can say that spermatozoa structure, right? For that, आप देखिए, this is the spermatozoa or sperm, and this is spermatid. Both are look like same? No. In that, differentiation, maturation occur. Spermatids, once the spermatids are formed by which cell division? Meiosis. These spermatids undergoing differentiation. Undergoing which process? Differentiation. Or we call maturation. And by that way, it forms head structure. इसको हम middle piece बोलते हैं. We will learn that, right? And then tail. As an entire, that the structure of sperm is formed. Clear? So spermatid to spermatozoa. Which word? Spermatid to spermatozoa. Which process occur? Differentiation or maturation. समझ में आया? Yes or no? Clear है यहाँ तक? Right? So testes, testicular lobules, seminiferous tubules, they are lined by these cells which undergo first mitosis. First initially mitosis to increase the spermatogonia number. Then spermatogonia first behaves as a primary spermatocyte. फिर क्या होगा? Meiosis 1. Then it converts to then it undergoes and form spermatids undergoing now maturation and converts to spermatozoa. And this spermatozoa, they are mature or immature? प्रोसेस मैच्योरेशन के लिए है, बट जो फॉर्म हो रहे हैं वो इमेच्योर है. प्रोसेस किसके लिए है ये अंडरस्टैंड कीजिए वर्ड्स को. प्रोसेस मैच्योरेशन के लिए कि ये जो स्पर्मेटिड है उसको किसमें कन्वर्ट करना है? स्पर्मेटोजुआ. बट दिस स्पर्मेटोजुआस आर नॉट विग्रसली मोटाइल. Gradually it will take nourishment from yaad hai seminal plasma, that seminal vesicles, glands and others. So from that they will get what? Nourishment and becomes what? Active. Here clear hai ye sab, right? So spermatids to which one? Spermatozoa. Remember that's the differentiation process, maturation process. But this process forms mature sperm or immature? Immature germ cells or immature sperm. Clear? This immature sperm gradually become mature once it pass through that. अभी seminiferous tubule का process हो गया done. Then it now pass to then remember for epididymis what I have told. Temporary storage and their secretion helps to become mature. फिर वो vast deferens में जाएंगे, वहां पे भी same process होता है. Then it reach to that seminal vesicle secretions that also helps in nourishing, right? And by that way, the last that during the ejaculation the sperm release, they are fully mature, fully motile. Clear? Understood this, right? Now the next one, so spermatid to spermatozoa, we call spermiogenesis. Three definitions now we are going to learn, very, very important. First definition है spermatogenesis definition starts from, arrow कहाँ पे जा रहा है? First spermatogonia. From this spermatogonia the formation of spermatozoa or sperms, right? Not spermatids. अगर spermatids लिखा तो wrong. That's a gonia. Spermatogonia to which one? Spermatozoa, right? That process we call spermatogenesis. Second process is a which one? Spermiogenesis. Which word? Spermiogenesis. पहले हमने यहाँ तक किया, पूरा प्रोसेस पूछे तो spermatogenesis. बट जो डिफरेंशिएशन प्रोसेस था, spermatid converts to उसका नेम है spermiogenesis. That process name is a which one? Spermiogenesis. So can you tell me by which process spermatids convert to spermatozoa? स्पर्मियोजेनेसिस. वो डिफरेंशिएशन मैच्योरेशन प्रोसेस को ही क्या बोलेंगे हम नाउ? स्पर्मियोजेनेसिस. क्लियर? So remember first definition, spermatogenesis meaning formation of spermatozoa from spermatogonia. Repeat, formation of spermatozoa from spermatogonia. Second, spermiogenesis, formation of spermatozoa from spermatids. Clear? Third definition is there, that is spermiation. Which word is there? Spermiation. You know that what is the role of Sertoli cell? And from for that nourishment, the sperm head region actually embedded with the Sertoli cell. Sperm head region क्या होता है? Embedded with the Sertoli cell, and then it derives the nourishment from that. Okay. So now over here, spermiation क्या है? You can easily understand. Sperm head, I have which word used? Sperm head. So after spermatogenesis, which is the proper word over? After spermiogenesis. Remember which word? After spermiogenesis, right? The sperm or the spermatozoa heads become embedded in the and finally it derives the nourishment. First it derives the nourishment, and then that head region separated from the Sertoli cell, and now it's a time to move out from the seminiferous tubule, right? So now that's embedded in the Sertoli cell and finally released from seminiferous tubule. Seminiferous tubule will be now it's ready to move ahead into that related testis or vasa efferentia. Clear? So spermiation is what? After spermiogenesis, the head that is embedded into the Sertoli cells वो detach हो जाएगा. At the same time, now the sperms released from the seminiferous tubules enter to related testis. This process, remember, now release from the seminiferous tubule of the sperms, that's we call spermiation. That's we call spermiation. Clear? Read this after sperm head embedded in and then and that we call spermiation. Clear? What is spermatogenesis? Formation of spermatozoa from spermatogonia. Next, what is spermiogenesis? Spermiation, the entry of sperm into the seminiferous tubule, release from the seminiferous tubule, right? Release from the seminiferous tubule. That we call the which one? Spermiation. These three words are clear, right? Now the next that we are going to learn about after that, hormonal regulation of spermatogenesis, right? Hormonal regulation of spermatogenesis, you know that first hypothalamus, right? So hypothalamus that secretes gonadotropins, releasing hormone. हम यहाँ पे stimulatory effect learn कर रहे हैं, so releasing word use करेंगे GnRH, right? GnRH full form source release from sure hypothalamus, gonadotropins releasing hormone formed by hypothalamus, released from hypothalamus, and through that portal circulation it reached to anterior pituitary. Anterior pituitary releases what? Gonadotropins, which are there? LH and FSH. LH full form FSH. This is also very important, right? Entire topic, that's why I mentioned LH, LL याद रखना, right? यहाँ पे confusion होता ही है. LH acts on Leydig cell and other is a which one? Sertoli cell, right? LH acts on which cells? Leydig cells. Leydig cells location? So from the anterior lobe of pituitary, LH release into वहां से कहा into blood, through the blood it reach to the testis. Testis में भी कहाँ पे Leydig cells, interstitial space, सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूब्यूल्स के बाहर है ना Leydig cells तो, राइट. सो Leydig cell है, सेल के ऊपर उसके रिसेप्टर्स है. Over there it binds and shows direction, right? So remember LH released into blood, through the blood it reached to that Leydig cells that will stimulate the synthesis and secretion of example testosterone, and testosterone is needed for sperm production, so it stimulates mainly which process? Spermatogenesis. Which one? Spermatogenesis. L, remember, right? L and A याद रखना है. क्या है वर्ड? कौन सा लेटर? A. L, right? L A क्या है? L A. A हम बाद में करेंगे. FSH full form? Follicle stimulating hormone acts on? You know Sertoli cell का मैंने एक्स्ट्रा में एक फंक्शन बताया. Name. ABP. It secretes what? ABP. It's a one kind of factor. It helps in to enhance the testosterone level in seminiferous tubule, right? So this Sertoli cell stimulates the secretion of some factors. Example, ABP. Not mentioned in your book, just for your knowledge. So that thing helps in what? Spermiogenesis. वो किसके लिए main है? Spermiogenesis, right? Which process? Spermiogenesis. तो यहाँ पे FSI क्या है? FSI. ये मेन याद रखना. LL बिकॉज आप देखोगे ना स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस, स्पर्मियोजेनेसिस, जेनेसिस सेम इतना. ATO IO उसमें ही डिफरेंस है. और यहाँ पे गड़बड़ होती है स्टूडेंट्स दैट LH एक्सॉन. फर्स्ट गड़बड़ यहाँ पे Leydig या Sertoli. एग्जाम के टाइम पे कंफ्यूजन. LL याद रखना. LH axon, Leydig cell, and that stimulates mainly which process? A, LLA, right? Spermato के जिसमें A लेटर आता है, spermatogenesis, right? FSH acts on Sertoli cell, and that stimulates spermiogenesis, right? In your 11th standard book, one line is mentioned. FSH and androgens stimulate spermatogenesis. कंफ्यूजन मत रखना कि वहां पे क्या है. टुगेदर फॉर्म गिवन FSH needed for sperm production, FSH and androgens. FSH and androgens together for given spermatogenesis. तो वो लाइन भी करेक्ट ही है, राइट. बट सिंपल आपको FSH के लिए ही सिर्फ पूछे देन गो विथ विच वन? स्पर्मियोजेनेसिस. एंड LH के लिए पूछे देन स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस. Clear? LH acts on? LH secreted by? Anterior pituitary, right? Anterior pituitary secretes LH. That signals given by? By which hormone? GnRH or gonadotropin releasing hormone. So GnRH from hypothalamus, it reached to that anterior lobe of pituitary through portal circulation. Then this anterior pituitary release LH and FSH. LH acts on Leydig cells that stimulate synthesis and secretion of that is testosterone, and stimulates which process? Spermatogenesis. FSH acts on Sertoli stimulates for secretion of example ABP. And that stimulates spermiogenesis. Understood this? Yes or no? Now, once the spermiogenesis process done, differentiation process done, now the time that's for the sperm structure, means the sperms are formed, right? Once the sperm is formed, so जो differentiation हुआ, spermatid to spermatozoa, in that which structures are formed? The structures are this one, right? Again, explain the spermiogenesis and make a label diagram of sperm. That kind of also that theory question was earlier asked in board, right? So don't ignore this. You have to make the structure. First one, that structure of sperm, in that three parts are there: head region, middle piece, and tail. Which three? Head region, middle piece, and tail. Repeat. Head region, middle piece, and tail. रट्टेबाजी नहीं करनी है, जो डायग्राम है वही एक्सप्लेनेशन है. Head region, this is the head region. Can you make out over here on the head a cap-like structure is there? Yes or no? That structure we call acrosome. Which structure? Acrosome. Repeat. Acrosome. Spermatid से ये structure form हो रहा है. And spermatid क्या? It's a cell. Cell में organelles होंगे कि नहीं? Yes. This acrosome is modification of Golgi body. वो किसका है? Golgi body. Golgi body that arrange at the tip of that head region, and in that the certain enzymes are filled. That enzyme, one of the name is there, hyaluronidase enzyme. Which enzyme? Hyaluronidase enzyme. Repeat. Hyaluronidase enzyme. Other enzymes are also there, but that we will learn in fertilization part. Right now remember only this one, that is which enzyme? Hyaluronidase enzyme. Repeat. Hyaluronidase enzyme. This enzyme will release from acrosome. Which part release? Acrosome, right? So acrosome, location at the tip of the head region of sperm, that contains what? Hyaluronidase enzyme. That is this acrosome is a structure modified Golgi body. Now just below that the large nucleus is present, right? Large nucleus, in that nuclear contain DNA in the form of chromosomes are present. Next one, so ये head है, acrosome, this all things, these are the parts covered by the outer membrane we call plasma membrane, right? फिर next आता है, that is mitochondria. Which one? Mitochondria. In the middle piece, right? In the middle piece, spirally arranged, right? Spirally arranged mitochondria are present. Large number of mitochondria are present in the which part of the sperm? Middle piece. Large number of mitochondria is needed, right, to provide motility, right? It needs high energy to become motile. Clear? Next one. After that, here one word is mentioned, that is neck. Between head and middle piece, small narrow, that the space we call neck. Mitochondria in which part? Middle piece. And after that, this is the which part? Tail, which helps in provides motility, swimming, right? So in that tail जो है, if you can recall, you know centriole, सुना है centriole? Yes or no? Tail जो है ना, basically वो है flagella. It's look like that internal structure is a which one? Flagella. Flagella में याद है microtubules का arrangement आपको? 9 plus 2, right? 9 plus 2. If any cell is there, अगर कोई बैक्टीरिया है कुछ भी, any cell is there, here this is the flagella. So this flagella, if you can recall, centriole में एक line लिखा था, it forms basal body. Yes or no? It forms basal body from which cilia and flagella arise. It forms centriole आया पहले. Here the centriole. Centriole form the base. यहाँ से वो arrangement start होगा. तो centriole forms basal body. Centriole क्या form करेगा? Basal body. And from that basal body, flagella form. Understand? Centriole में क्या था arrangement microtubules का? 9 plus 0. Center में proteinaceous hub. Right? So अगर मैं ये part का section लूँ centriole का, तो मुझे कौन सा अरेंजमेंट दिखेगा? 9 plus 0. बट अगर फ्लैजेला का लूँ तो 9 plus 2. समझ में आ रहा है? यस और नो? बेसिकली फ्लैजेला का जो बेस है वो कौन क्रिएट करके देता है? सेंट्रियोल. विच वन? सेंट्रियोल. सो हियर अगेन द सेम थिंग. कैन यू मेक आउट? रेड कलर से मैंने स्ट्रक्चर्स बनाए, नॉट मेंशन इन योर बुक, बट दिस आर द सेंट्रियोल्स. दिस आर द विच वन? सेंट्रियोल्स. रिमेंबर, उसमें मेनली जो टेल फॉर्म करने में सेंट्रियोल इन्वॉल्व है, दैट इज दिस वन, डिस्टल सेंट्रियोल्स. इसको क्या बोलेंगे? दिस इज द प्रॉक्सिमल and the last near that after the middle piece, that is the distal, right? So नीट के लिए याद रखना, distal centriole से क्या फॉर्म हो रहा है? tail. Basically it's a flagella. Clear? So structure of sperm, when we see, first head region, then middle piece, between them small neck region, and middle piece के बाद क्या आएगा? tail region, right? Head region contains what? Acrosome and nucleus. Middle piece contains what? Large number of mitochondria spirally arranged, and the tail which helps in the swimming. बोलिए, clear? ये है structure of sperm. Acrosome modified which organelle, and it contains which enzyme? Hyaluronidase. Which enzyme? That enzyme, right? अभी हमने oogenesis लर्न नहीं किया है, उसके बाद आएगा. That this enzyme helps to penetrate into the ovum. Ovum is a cell. Ovum word use करेंगे और secondary oocyte, right? So ovum is a cell right now. तो cell के अंदर sperm head को entry करवानी है, right? So for that acrosome release enzyme so that the space can form. Clear? That's why hyaluronidase enzyme helps in penetration into ovum और secondary oocyte. चलिए, क्लियर? ये मैंने ऑब्लिक क्यों लिखा है वो हम बाद में ही लर्न करेंगे. अब दोनों वर्ड्स राइट नाउ याद रखना. चलिए, क्लियर है? श्योर? अप टू हियर एनी डाउट? नो? नाउ once that sperm structure is formed, mature sperm is formed. Remember, seminiferous tubule, right? Generally, this spermatogenesis process starts at the puberty, right? At puberty, this process starts. To form mature sperm, right, which ready for ejaculation, that sperms to mature, that form the mature sperms, it's need 64 to 74 hours. Sorry, my mistake, days. 64 to 74 days. On an average बोलते हैं 72 days process. On an average क्या बोलते हैं? 72 days process, right? So approximately अगर हम देखें तो 2.5 month. Yes, this much time is needed for maturation of sperm, right? This much time is needed for maturation of sperm. Remember this thing. This takes longer period of time, right? So now the next thing, that per ejaculation, right? Per ejaculation in the semen, 200 to 300 million sperms are there. How many? 200 to 300 million. And basically ये जो sperm form हो रहा है from spermatid, और spermatid जो form हो रहा है through meiosis, cell division, and cell division में you know spindle fibers क्या करता है? Chromosomal movement. So the equal number of chromosome distributed to daughter cell, yes or no? है ना? But something happen over there, wrong happen over there, and chromosomes number unequally distributed. तो वो mutation हो गया. That cell disturb, that structure disturb. This thing can be possible. So per ejaculation, on an average, that 200 to 300 million sperms are there. To fertilize one single ovum, remember, to fertilize millions में sperm है, but to fertilize one single ovum, अभी जो 200 to 300 का जो हमने वैल्यू लर्न किया, from that 60% sperm should have normal shape. 60% जितने हुए इसमें हर एक का शेप जो कंटेंट है वो दैट्स अ प्रॉपर हो, इट्स नॉट कंपल्सरी, राइट? सो उसमें से 60% शेप जो स्पर्म है उसका शेप कैसा होना चाहिए? नॉर्मल. और जो 60% नॉर्मल शेप है ना, उसमें से 40% स्पर्म विग्रसली मोटाइल होने चाहिए. कितने? 40%. सो टोटल इजेक्यूलेशन हुआ 200 to 300 million sperm. From that 60% sperm should have normal shape, right? Normal structure, no mutation, no change in that. And वो 60 में से 40% जो है That should be vigorously motile. अगर ये condition होती है, then and then, right, that single sperm can reach to that ovum, which is the site for fertilization. Ampulla. Site पूछा है मैंने, right? So which one? Ampulla. So that can reach once the ejaculation done into female reproductive tract. It cross the vagina to cervix, cervix to uterus, and uterus to fallopian tube ka isthmus, and reach to which one? Ampulla, right? So many, that's over here. It's a microscopic structure. It has to cross a long distance, right? So some of these sperm, remember over here, very few actually sperms are there. They can reach up to that ampulla region and fertilize the ovum. From that millions of sperm, only one can fertilize the ovum. Only one can fertilize the ovum. Clear this thing, right? So ये लाइन भी याद रखना MCQ के लिए. Per ejaculation, how much amount of sperm? 200 to 300 million, right? Out of them, at least 60% should have, and out of them, at least 40% should have vigorous, right? Only vigorously motile sperm. If sperms are formed, right? If sperms are formed, but motility is not there due to secretions of, due to disturbance occur in the secretion of seminal vesicle or prostate gland, sperms are there, count is there, but not vigorously motile sperm, then fertilization cannot be possible. In that case, that female cannot be able to conceive and be considered infertile couple. So they need that help of that IVF, means reproductive assisted technologies. Not only IVF, others are also there. Clear? Understood this thing? Now next one. Seminal plasma is, semen is equal to what? Seminal plasma plus sperm, right? Sperm formed through that testis, right, in that seminal seminiferous tubules. Next, seminal plasma is formed by the secretion of prostate glands, vulvourethral glands. Yes, right? Remember this thing. And for maturation of sperm, ये सारे glands तो secrete करते their secretion, as well as epididymis and vas deferens also. Clear? So here we have completed the spermatogenesis process, first part of gametogenesis. Clear? Gametogenesis meaning formation of gametes. In that two parts, male है तो spermatogenesis, female है तो oogenesis. Oogenesis after vacation. Clear? Stop.